What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see what we got going on today. Really not too much of none, called the weather, man. It just rains. The rain in, man. The rain is here, so I'm trying to get y'all some content, man. Keep y'all working. I might start kicking out some live streams and stuff, especially when the weather like it is and stuff, cause really don't be nothing going on, cause can't do nothing outside, can't go to the track, you really can't do too much. So what we got planned today is I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the test hit footage from Dolo. It was actually the day before I took it to the track the last time. It's the day before. I'm gonna show y'all a little test hit. I did spray the car. This was the first time the car ever sprayed. Found out we had a problem then too, though. We had a problem then, so it's still what y'all about to see is still not Dolo on its full potential, and especially I found out what it is. So I got a handle on it, getting it situated right now. So you know, like I said, it ain't no big issue, but just know what y'all gonna watch today. Dolo wasn't nowhere near on full power. I'm talking about nowhere near on full power, man. So y'all gonna be in for a treat when I really do the real shakedown. But for in the meantime, y'all know I went ahead and took the racing wheels off. He got back on his he got back his walking shoes back on now. I done had them things off about 3 weeks, so I went ahead and put them back on or whatever. But what I'm about to do, like I said, I know what it is. I'm gonna get it straightened out. It's not a problem at all. It's just funny, man. It's just funny, but like I said, we'll see. Y'all will see a real deal pass this month in Big Dolo. But like I said, I just went fooling with it. Called the Camaro. We took the Camaro John Jones to the track. I've been wanting to get a handle on this, and that's how I work, man. When I be on something, I be on it. So I was on Dolo. I took it 2 times straight, this and that. Now I know what it is. Not nothing major. So we'll get that straight. But now I've been on John Jones, cause I took John Jones now and seen what I seen. So now I'm on this car. So I want to fool with it. But next time, I was thinking about it, y'all. We have never took the Cutlass R&B to the track and ran it on the slicks, and that's why I bought the slicks for it. Run it, try it out, and really do ride reaction. Since it's the slowest car, it don't make with 300 horsepower to the wheels, 300 flat. That's what it makes. So I want to take it so we can see what 300 horsepower translate to, and that Cutlass probably 3600. It probably 38 or something with me in it, 38 and some change. They're not light as people think. A G-body isn't light as people think. So I want to take it, put the front runners on, put the radius on, not the radius, the slicks, the 26-inch slicks on the back, and just see what it do, man. I mean, it ain't gonna lay the law down. It'll be lucky if it go in the 8s, 890. So, well, it'll do an 890. I take that back. It'll do an 890. We took it on hard time. But like I said, so I might take it in it. We might take it in it. Cause I ain't never took it. I actually never took it and ran on the slick. So I might take it, man. If the weather clear up, this week, I might take it. John Jones needs to go to Middle Georgia Motorsport Park, so I can get the shots dialed in for there. It do need some tweaking. And I got a video coming. Tomorrow where I'm gonna show my ticket for John Jones when I ran on the hard tires. I told people the time, back when I ran a while back, I told people the time, but I never showed the ticket. So I'm gonna show y'all the ticket. And this was from, let me think, 2019, I believe. It's before I made all the changes. Called 2020, we really couldn't do nothing because of the corona and stuff. So, you know, I got that coming. So I'm gonna show that. But in the meantime, I'll talk later about that in the video. I'm finna roll this footage. Like I said, this is a shakedown. This is a test pad. First time I ever sprayed Dolo. Well, I actually sprayed Leland. Shout out to Leland. With HHP. Cause I wanted to get the good footage. I mean, everybody ain't gonna record steady, so they're like, you better record. I said, I record. But like I said, still had a problem. Still had a problem. But this is it. Like I said, took off, and when y'all gonna see it, it took off on motor, and you're gonna hear when the nitrous get grabbed, cause it's gonna change tunes. So it took off on motor and was spinning, and he grabbed it right after it stopped spinning the tires, cause it was spinning the radius pretty bad. So like I said, and it wasn't no tire pressure adjustments. It's just literally going out there just to see if the nitrous take, or how it take. I know it's gonna take, but just see how it take. And shout out to Lawless Street Cars and Fabrication, called Jesse. Smashed the tune, it crispy. Y'all ain't see my car doing nothing wild, none of that. And like I said, got the good stuff in it. So I'm gonna step it up. But I'm finna roll this clip, then I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Back, man. Y'all saw the clip. Like I said, I'm gonna keep that in the vault for a little bit. But like I said, I might well let y'all see it, cause it ain't at its full potential. So somebody can be thinking, oh, that's the full potential. That ain't it. That ain't it, man. See, it's a lot of me and somebody at the track had this conversation the other day. I said it's a lot of gullible people on the internet. A whole lot of gullible people on the internet. I would think people know better, but every day I get shown that they don't. No matter whether they've been racing or not, they don't know any better. Oh, I see that. I see that every day. I'm reminded. But anyway, like I said, tomorrow's video, unless I decide to drop something there, cause I might have an update on the brown coat S10 too. But tomorrow's video, I plan on, either way you're gonna get it this week. I'm gonna show the ticket from 2019. This before I made all them changes. The turbo, the piping, all the other stuff, and the few things that people don't know about that I never put on video. But it's this before all the changes, basically all the changes, literally. It's gonna be on an 18-inch hard tire. I'm gonna show that ticket. I told people what it run, but I don't know how long people been following. I told them, but sometimes people don't believe. And like I said, it's gonna be on an 18-inch hard tire and all that. So I'm gonna show that, man. I'm gonna have that coming for y'all. Cause trust me, it ain't. I can show that it ain't nowhere near that no more. I say that, and it's on a hard tire. I mean, you know, my car wasn't tuned for hard tire, so you know it is what it is. What else we got coming? I ain't gonna say. I ain't gonna say right now. Cause what I'm about to start doing for people, some people. I don't want to say all y'all. Some of y'all BCG real deal. But what I'm about to start doing is some stuff I ain't gonna show. Cause I got to show people, like, you can't believe everything you see on the internet. You can't do it, man. You can't do it, man. It's the thing with me. What I noticed with me and my channel, a lot of people not used to real life. They really not. They not used to real life. They used to fabricated stuff on the internet. They used to people not keeping it all the way 100. I ain't saying, I'm not gonna say they ain't keeping it real. They're not used to people keeping it all the way 100. And that's why people they have problems. People have problems with real people. They're just facts. My real talk for y'all. If you real people, man, you stand on what you say, people gonna have a problem with you. People don't like the real. That's a fact. People do not like the real. They're gonna have a problem with you. If you're outspoken, you don't bite your tongue, or if you're in a group of 100 people and everybody being a yes man or yes woman, and you the one that say, hey, that ain't right, I ain't going for it. What you think? People gonna go against you. They're gonna want to see you down. And you know, that's the thing with me sometimes. Some people want to see me down, man, cause I'm up. I'm just gonna keep it all the way 100 right now. Cause I'm up. I work hard to be well met. I give back. I do good to good people. And some people don't want to applaud that. They don't want to see it, but they always want to applaud when you know you have your failures. And I see that on the internet. And I see it in life too. People want to applaud when you have failures, or they want to smile when you they think you down. But when you up, they silent. They silent, man. Quiet as a church mouse. So you gotta remember that in life. When you winning, forget these people at the end of the day. Cause what happened for me, when these people don't want to see you up and they don't want to see you winning and doing good, God gonna always put you in front of their faces. For real. God gonna put you in front of their face. Like, I was just on national TV. My face, my family, this and that. We were just on national TV for a good deed I did. And you know how many people saw that? You know how many people saw that? They're probably like, man, I can't stand it. God gonna put you in the people's face that don't want to see you winning. They might be looking at their favorite TV show. J Malcolm promo come across TV. Or your promo, or whatever. You might pop across, or your name might come up in a conversation. Man, I love so-and-so video. Whole time they in the circle, man, I don't like them. So look, man, don't worry about these people at the end of the day. Keep doing what you're doing, and always stand on what you believe. Stand on what you believe, stand on what you say. Cause at the end of the day, that's all you got. Your word, man. Don't be like everybody else. More people in the world scared. They scared, I'm telling you. They scared to go against the grain. They scared. That's all too. It's a lot of scared people in the world. Grown too. 40, 50, 60, 70, 30. It's a lot of scared people in the world. Don't let people fool you. More people won't stand on what they believe. And more people is some haters and some crabs. Most people. Cause they don't want to see you up. But just keep that in mind, man. Keep that in mind. Cause I'm gonna keep showing y'all that real life over here. Like I said, people not used to seeing every step of a build of a car. People not used to that. They used to somebody. This what some of y'all used to seeing. Y'all used to seeing somebody put the car together, and then they don't drop a video on it for 2 or 3 weeks. They drop a video, they more do what it do, it's showing out, everything running crispy. They don't drop another video for another couple of weeks, something on the car. So it looked like everything peaches and cream, right? And I show y'all the real life. I keep it real. I keep it all the way 100. It's people, cause people be looking at the bills like, hey man, you this and that, you can't get it right. I'm like, dog, if you done built the car, even if you build a car on a serious level, you have problems. You know how many people that came out, $100,000 car, popped the piston, or something go wrong. You see it all the time at the track. I just saw it this weekend. Brand new car come out, it had a problem. Brand new turbo build. Man, $70,000 to $80,000 bill, easy. You got problems, the tune or something be off. That don't mean you ain't doing your job. It's a new build, man. But some people, you got it figured out, right? But when it all come together, everybody done seen it if you've been racing long enough, or you probably done went through it yourself. When you got a new car, like my boy Gold Rush, shout out to Keith, man, over at Cooper Foreman. Had a bad Mustang. He was like new car blues, man. I like, you know, I'm gonna get it right, Keith. Like, yeah, I'm gonna get it right. It's part of the game, man. That don't mean you just fold and stop. Cause when you get your car right, y'all, it gonna be working. The joke gonna be on everybody else at the end of the day when you get your car right. It's a process. It's a process. I'm just showing y'all real life. So my people watching, learning something, it's real life. It's easy to go get a crate motor and stick it in or something. I mean, they're easy. You can have a problem with that. You do something wrong or whatever, you can still have issues or whatever, small minor issues. So it's just part of the game. But like I said, man, I promise y'all, ain't nobody saying nothing. Nobody saying nothing. Whatever I say this, if somebody done put a stopwatch on my car and you done timed it, whatever time you came up with, that junk off by a whole, boy, it's off a lot. And I see why. Said, I done made some moves. People don't even know about. That's how I know what the problem is. I already know. Thing still crank, running, driving. It's ready. All of them still oil pressure though. So get that out your head. But yeah, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. It's a beautiful day. But yeah, that's it. Oh, I know I dropped this video a little late, cause like I said, man, it's last minute. I shot it. Y'all got it late. Hey, but y'all got one. Y'all got y'all something to watch. So that's it, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm out.